construction area of this cold storage is 16,000 square meters and its inside height is 5.8 meters. The construction of foundation and heat insulation floor. Erection of steel posts. Its ground structure. Space utilization is large. The roof materials are sea blue steel sheets. To preserve heat, heat insulation boards are linked by aluminum long-formed strips. It stops fires to reduce temperature, and the change of gas content is through pipe. Refrigeration machines are piston-type sets, and gas adjusting equipment are also placed here. Reduction of temperature here is carried out by fin pipes, called they make temperature fluctuations small. Large numbers of fans are placed here, and the refrigeration capacity is great. Refrigeration equipment screw-type sets and barrel pumps transport refrigerant to low-temperature rooms and quick frozen rooms. Equipment work. This is a closed platform. This is a gas adjusting room. Its temperature is 0. The content of the oxygen is 5%. Now we are in low temperature room. It's for the storage of frozen goods. In temperature here is sub-zero 18. Let's go to quick frozen room. Sub-zero 30 degree here is for the processing and refreezing of food. What in your site is evaporative condenser, slow consumption of water. This cold storage is beautiful in appearance and advanced in technology. Compressors are built from Germany and other equipment are made in Shan, China.